Okay, he got fucking lasered. There's just a J-bomb on the ground. Alright, I'm gonna go eat some food, but you right-click to set your location, and then you walk away from it. You can just teleport it to it at any point with left click. The controls at the very bottom of your screen.
I
Right-click. It's
understand.
like a recaller. Right-click to set your location and shit.
Guy was innocent. Guy, I killed some innocent guy. I literally shot him. I shot him
Yeah.
once while he was walking
Colin,
across
he's
the
on the
street.
bench.
He's on the bench.
He's moving around though. He's moving like a crazy motherfucker. Dude, I clipped that. Dude, from my POV.